Because sincerity is there. Krishna is telling Gita, Tesham sarati yuktanam bhajatam pratipurvakam dadami buddhi yogam tam yena mam upayanti te. Upayanti te. You come to me. Upayanti, yanti upa. Go up. Go to me, come to me. Uparwala, Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Tepiyanti. You come to me. How can you go to God unless you have a good brain? Either internally giving anubhav or through the mind, brain, heart. So that Tesham Sarata Yuktanam Bhajatam Priti Purvakam Dadami Buddhi Yogam. Buddhi Yogam. I give Dadami, I give intelligence. So with that intelligence which I give you, you can follow the Bhakti Marg, and you go to the Param Gati, Vaikuntha Prapti, Golok Prapti, Krishna Spurti, Krishna Darshan, in this Jivan, this life. So you look at yourself. Am I a sadhaka? Yes, I'm a sadhaka. Am I following yama niyama? Yes. Am I have some bhav for Krishna, I have some feelings? Yes. You're a living entity, and you're a woman. Women have so much natural feelings for children, and they're more emotional. The soul in a lady's body, and those sentiments and emotions, it's the softness, and it's the sweetness of the heart of the lady, which are very good assets in bhakti. Very good assets in bhakti. And so when you're just hearing from mechanistic, rationalistic, and logical-minded men, who are the teachers and the advisors, the soft side of life, or the sensitive way of seeing reality or dealing with the transcendence, they may not be so perceptible to them. Because one of the symptoms of bhav is the heart becomes soft. In a spiritual sense. I mean, soft means the hardness of greed. Katan, lobha, katan, greed, lobe, is what makes the heart very hard. Katan means hard. Greed and anger and lust, envy. So I don't mean soft like, gentle. No, he may be a strong, heroic man, bhakta, very large personality like your guru is a big man. But his heart, the heart of the Atma is soft, it's clean. So there's greed and anger and lust and envy, it's all broken. In Bhakti Bhajan, Kanda. A Kanda Bhajan is done Kanda on Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Kanda. Kanda means to break, and a Kanda means no break. So we do a Kanda Bhajan, that's Abhyas, Rose Sadhana, Abhyas, and it's breaking. Like you see the man, he has a block of marble. It's a big block of marble. It's 8 feet long and 3 feet, 2 feet wide, 2.5 feet wide. He's going chong, 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 chong. You say, what are you doing? I'm Krishna's coming out of here. Acha? Tong, 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 tong. And you go back a month later. And this is a piece of marble with chunk, chunk, chunk here and there. Nikaldo missing. But what are you doing? Oh, Krishna's coming here. Krishna's coming here. So then, in due course of time, you go back in 3 months, and Krishna's there. That's the mind. So bhav is that softened stage. Everything's chopped up. All the common krodha is chopped out of our mind. So then we're soft. So at this point of the game, the basic laws for everyone